So just recently I was on a trip to Nong Khai, Thailand, a place I've never heard of before in my life. Obviously I've heard of Thailand, but Nong Khai was different to me. But it's a place I had to go explore, specifically because I had the Loy Krathong festival going on, and I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, and I apologize for that if I am. But basically what it is, it's when you see the lanterns that people bless or make a wish on, and they send them up with their family, and it was an absolute dream, something I had to experience, and I'm glad I did. They also have these cool flower arrangements that are handmade right there on the spot, and they do the same thing. They push them in the Mekong River, let them float down the river, and then the families bless them or make a wish on them for health and happiness or whatever they want to make a wish on. So it was an extreme blessing to be there. I'm so happy I got to see it. Not only that, but seeing Nong Khai at night or seeing parts of Thailand that most people never go to was an extreme blessing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I had a blast being there, and I know that it'd be someplace that everybody would want to visit after seeing this video. So if you could, like, subscribe, do all the cool things, and I'll see you guys after the video. See ya. Alright, got the Canon R8 paired with the Nifty 50. This is the older EF mount Nifty 50, so I have the adapter on there. But let's go take some low light photos. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Alright, so if you've never been to Nong Khai, Thailand, Mekong River, Laos, or Lao is what they call it. Pretty cool. It's a whole different country right there. Just walked up on this cool little tuk-tuk. Thank you. People here are absolutely amazing. So coming up is the flowers I was talking about. You can put into, you bless the flowers or make a wish. Not exactly sure, but here's an example of them right here. Hello. English? You speak English? No? Thank you. Here's some more of those flowers, and they're all handmade. Hello. Grasshoppers. Is it good? Tasty? Is it good? Yummy?
Yummy, yummy.
Cool shot of the dragons. Thumbnail! Alright, so I can't get both dragons in. Here's the other dragon. I'm gonna shoot this one. Try to get a cool shot of this one. Not bad, not bad.
Nhưng mà coi cùng đúng không? Nhưng mà làm lạ.
dragon. First time I've seen that yet. Been here for about a week and a half now. It's the first time I've seen that. Pretty cool. So let's switch to 7200. Try to get a little bit more candid shots. Alright, so I kind of got away from the hustle and bustle. The festival is getting a little wild for me. But I do see this old tuk-tuk. Try to get a cool photo of this. Get out of the way, dude. Just joking, just joking. Cool. I'm kind of speeding up. I see this couple holding hands. I always like to get a photo of that. And in case you're curious, I do edit the photos and send them to the couples for free if they want it. I usually ask for their email, edit it, send it to them. No questions asked. Happy to do it. So if you ever see me and you want a free photo, let me know. Happy to do it. Yeah, this guy in a tuk-tuk sitting perfectly with some cool looking lights behind him. A little too far zoomed in. Zoom out just a little bit. Nope, I like it. I feel like I shoot too much vertical. I need to shoot more horizontal. What do you guys think? Alright, I'm gonna try to get a photograph down the street. A little busy right now. But you can see that street lamp and the way the curve of the street is. It's pretty cool. If I get something coming around, drive down that way, it'd be really cool. Now would be perfect. Even a person walking. I don't know what it is about this dadgum truck, but I love the lights with the truck and the lights of the building right behind it. Thought that worked out pretty good. The street looks pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get a photo shooting down the street. I'm gonna get less cars though, so I'm gonna wait. I think I got it. So one thing about photography that people always ask me, what's one tip you could give? And one of my biggest tips is turn around. So I just shot down that street and then I look down here and the street lights look really cool. Always turn around and look behind you. Just don't want to get any photos of cars. I want street bikes, tuk-tuk, something that's, you know, reminiscent of the country I'm in or place I'm in. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm finally in a quiet spot. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could, like, subscribe, share this video if you want. It really does help the channel out if you like the videos. It helps the algorithm catch it and everything. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm gonna tune out right now because my battery just died in my R8, and I only brought one battery for this little walking adventure. So go ahead, like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Okay everybody, that was the video of Nong Khai, Thailand at night. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, if you found it fun, useful, whatever it may be, please like this video as it really does help out the channel. And we'll see you guys next time.